This is the last time you tell me I've got it wrong.
This is the last time I say it's been you all along.
This is the last time I let you in my door.
This is the last time I won't hurt you anymore.
Wait, that's not called a trick, it's called a felony.
I just want to put some notes in the margins for you.
What? You've read this before.
About 40 times.
But you said you didn't read much.
Wow, what is much? Hi, Rory.
Time I'm asking you last.
Dodger.
Figure it out.
Oliver Twist.
And she never told me her name. I still love you to go from
The most wanted McDonald's menu items listed from around the world.